found common ground in around 18 million acres of public land. We looked at this land, which was all oil and gas land, and we thought, okay, what if we could put renewable energy on top of current and former oil and gas land? What if we could use this land that was already disturbed and turn it into something that was really useful? We worked with both Republicans and Democrats to appeal to the Department of Interior, because never before in US history has this been allowed. We found these 18 million acres, and through our analysis, we figured that we could generate about 2,000 new gigawatts of renewable energy just by looking at current and former oil and gas land, a number that has never been taken into account in any study about producing new renewable energy. It took a lot of work to bring Republicans and Democrats to the table. When talking to Republicans, we were talking about jobs, we were talking about very specific districts and their local economies. When we were talking to Democrats, we were focused on the transition away from fossil fuels and carbon reduction. It was the exact same policy, and we sold it differently to the two sides of the political spectrum. Now, this idea is also really strong because it removes years of environmental review processes because the data has already been collected. It makes use of a really important infrastructure that's already there, saving these companies money, and most importantly, it gives these oil and gas communities a new lease on life. Now, we brought this idea together because of the inspiration that we got, that we could see fans from all across the United States, no matter what city that they were from, coming together to take local specific climate action. And now we are starting to build pilot sites for these renewable energy projects in Utah, Colorado, and New Mexico, really finding this common ground. It really does exist in the United States. I promise I've seen it in cities all over this country. We just need to talk to people in the language that they understand. Thank you so much.